Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just a block off the Commons. We're here today to see apartment 1H. This is a studio apartment located on the first floor of the building, right next to the workout room and laundry. Let's go on inside. On your right hand side, you'll have your kitchen with a microwave, an electric oven and range, and a refrigerator. The H series has a unique structural element that actually gives you a little extra nook. In the living area, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture: a desk and a desk chair, a full-size bed, a bookshelf, and a dresser. One unique feature of this building is the nice high ceilings and tall windows, which let in lots of natural light in this north-facing apartment, even if it does have a little bit of a limited view. Each unit is air-conditioned and has a heating element and plenty of closet space. Another unique feature of all of our buildings is our intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. Finishing up in the bathroom, all of the city bathrooms are large, but this one's especially large as it has an extra little storage nook, along with a full shower and tub combo and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent here in Cityview includes heat, hot water, trash, and recycling. You're responsible for electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour today of Cityview 1H. Call us today for availability.